Dyna'r cyfan o gegin Nancy am y tro. Gobeithio gawn ni wahoddiad, invitation, I fynd yn ôl nes ymlaen.
Well, that'd be nice. Do you know what my favourite recipe was of Nancy's? Pudding llanast.
Pudding llanast.
Pudding llanast. The eaten mess. That was delicious. I tried that at home as well.
Do?
I did.
Calonnau pizza.
Eaten mess for one at Matt's house it was.
Should we move on from siarad am fwyd? It's making me isio bwyd.
Yeah, okay. Now, our nesa, seleb nesa.
Mae o'n gyflwynydd, teledu.
Actor yn Torchwood a Doctor Who.
Mae'n cyflwyno ar CBBS.
Oh.
I can hear all those children yn sgrechian. Dyma Alex Winters!
Hey!
Yay!
Alex, shwmai!
Hiya, Alex.
Shwmai. Don't trip on the stairs now. On your trip.
Sut wyt ti?
Croeso I hub.
Yeah.
Thank you very much. I'm nervous.
Really?
Yes.
Why are you nervous?
Why? Because...
Because I look really frightening.
Alex ydw I, rydw i'n byw yn Tyllgoed. That is all I remember.
Really? So you must have studied some at school?
Well, do you know...
Because you're a spring chicken, and doit?
Not that spring. No. Not that springly. No, so I... Born and brought up in Cardiff, so that was... My name's Alex, I live in Fairwater. And that's what I said throughout the 80s. But I remember Welsh being introduced into primary schools in Cardiff. So I don't think some people realise how much of a lack of Welsh there was. So it wasn't until I was maybe 8 that I was introduced to Welsh in school.
Really?
Yeah.
Achos rwan nawr, mae lot o Gymraeg. There's a lot of Welsh in schools and lots of Welsh schools popping up in bob man, sydd yn grêt, ynddi?
And it was... I remember it being introduced as a sort of a compulsory subject in high school then. So it was easy in Cardiff, in certain areas, to grow up without Welsh. Without
being aware of it.
And I'm sort of one of those people.
So, Alex, why Cariad iaith this year now? Why are you doing it?
I have genuinely always wanted to learn the language. And I think a bit of laziness in school, along with a bit of a bonkers teacher. I'll be honest, I hope she's not watching.
I've got one of those. Yes! Look at it.
They are. They all seem a bit bonkers, eh? You Welsh teachers. Throwing chairs and tables.
Bonkers, you can be a
Welsh for screw loose.
Mine screw.
Help me out, please, Di. Look at these two. They've started already ganging up on me.
Guys, have you two met before?
No, we haven't.
This is introduction. This is exciting stuff.
Dyma Alex, dyma Di.
Alex ydw I, rydw i'n byw yn Tyllgoed.
Come on, Di.
Di ydw I, rydw i'n byw yn Llundain.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, the problem is, I live in Manchester.
I
haven't lived in Fairwater.
You just don't know what that is in Welsh.
Team Dord. Or is it Dord, where you come from?
Dord.
Team Dord or Nghaerdydd. Treiglo hefyd.
Oh, he's good, isn't he?
You could be as good as me one day, my friend.
Really?
OK, yeah.
This
could all be yours.
You could be on this sofa.
In answer to your
question,
that is why I'm doing this show, to be as good as you.
Look at this.
So are you going to be one of these team players making breakfast for everybody, easy to live with?
Yeah, am I easy to live with? You have to ask my wife.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think so. I'm pretty easygoing.
Well, you'll be like skinning rabbits, because Sophie did that last year. That was...
dringo, climbing.
Hang on.
Skinning
Skinning rabbit. Not,
why did you have to start with that one? They'll all...
Can I back out now?
No, you signed the contract. We've seen your contract. You're in.
Do you know what?
Da ni'n mynd I gael hwyl. Exactly. It'll be so much fun.
Yes.
Be amazing.
Reit, dych chi eisiau gwybod pwy arall sy'n dod? Do you want to know who else is coming? Dydy'r person yma ddim yn gallu dod i'r studio. Unfortunately, this person can't come to the studio heddiw. Ond, cliw, mae hi'n gyflwynydd ac mae hi wedi priodi cyflwynydd.
Sy'n siarad Cymraeg.
Sy'n siarad Cymraeg, ydy.
A mae hi'n cyflwyno newyddion.
Ydy. Sgwni os ydy Lucy Owen yn edrych ymlaen. I wonder.
I can't tell you how much I'm looking forward to doing Cariad at iaith. What's not to get excited about learning Welsh in amongst the elements, surrounded by the wildlife of Wales? And that's just Gareth and Nia.
Reit dewch nôl ar ôl yr egwyl, achos mae llawer mwy o surprises gyda ni I chi. Dewch I weld pwy sydd ar y soffa.